In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Format menu to adjust the indentation of your paragraphs with ease. This is a crucial skill, whether you're working on an essay, a report, or any document where text formatting is key to its presentation. Let's dive right in and explore these steps in detail. First, begin by highlighting the paragraph or paragraphs that you want to adjust. Highlighting is simple but essential. It's like telling your word processor, "Hey, this is the section I want to work with." You can do this easily by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text or holding down the Shift key while using the arrow keys for precise selection if you're more comfortable with keyboard shortcuts. Remember, it's important to ensure that your entire desired text is selected before moving on to any formatting to avoid inconsistencies in your document's appearance. Next, direct your attention to the Format menu at the top of your word processing application. Once there, navigate to the option labeled Align and Indent. This is where you'll find the indentation tools that allow you to further specify how your text should look on the page. Think of it as your toolbox for aligning and beautifying your text layout. After clicking on Align and Indent, a list of options will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Indentation options. This step brings you to a new dialog box that offers a range of choices for modifying how your paragraphs are structured relative to the margins of your document. If at any point you feel overwhelmed by these options, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available features. Observation and experimentation here can enhance your understanding significantly. Within these indentation options, look for a drop-down menu or field labeled Special Indent. This is where you can choose the type of indent you need. In our task today, we're focusing on the hanging indent. This particular format is often used in bibliographies or citations, where the first line is aligned with the margin and all subsequent lines are indented. It's perfect for distinguishing reference information from the rest of your text. Once you've selected Hanging from the Special Indent section, you'll notice there is also an option to set the indent size. For most standard formatting purposes, an indent size of 0.5 inches works well, but you have the flexibility to adjust this according to your needs and any specific formatting guidelines you might be adhering to. Input your desired indent size, and once everything looks good, click Apply. This action finalizes your settings and applies them to the highlighted text. And there you have it, a neatly formatted paragraph with a hanging indent. Just remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with these settings, the more intuitive and efficient your formatting skills will become. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy formatting!